Looking for the best wireless doorbells? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 wireless doorbells on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. CROSSPOINT Expandable Wireless Doorbell Alert System. Base set comes with 2 receivers and 2 doorbells. Very easy setup and ability to customize with different ringtones and other settings. Easy to link additional motion and door sensors. A sleek design available in black or white. A convenient, comprehensive package that's easy to set up and use. Occasional phantom chimes, ringing without being pushed, have been reported. Battery is somewhat difficult to access. At number 2. Honeywell Home Portable Wireless Doorbell. Designed to be portable or mountable, wall mounting kit included. Impressive 450-foot range and battery life of up to 5 years. Great features, including downloadable MP3 tunes, custom visual alerts, adjustable volume, sleep mode, and mute timer. A wireless doorbell that is conveniently portable and offers some useful, innovative features. Some report a couple seconds of lag time between pushing the wireless button and triggering the chime. At number 1. Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Two-way conversations with visitors from your smartphone and ability to use doorbell as a security camera, including cloud storage of recorded video. Optional accessory receiver lets you hear the ring anywhere in the home. More than just a wireless doorbell, this is a smart video doorbell that works with your smartphone. It's too complicated for some casual consumers. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.